Hello and very warm welcome at Outreach Master, the #1 LinkedIn automation and AI calling tool directly out of HubSpot. Within the next 3 minutes, we have a look how to get started quickly. So the first step is you need to get an account at Outreach Master. And then to work, you need to connect it with the HubSpot account. This can be done just by clicking on Connect HubSpot account, choosing your respective HubSpot account, giving the permissions, and you're done. This is so quickly to be and easy to set up because we are an officially HubSpot approved extension. Then also you need to define the user to be connected, associated within HubSpot to this account. Then the next step, you also need to connect your LinkedIn account so that Outreach Master can perform the LinkedIn automations, so the actions on your account. And you need to define within which property of a contact in HubSpot the LinkedIn URL is stored so that we can find these LinkedIn profiles. So in our case, it's LinkedIn URL, which is also the default field within HubSpot, as you see here, and there we have stored the HubSpot. Here quite flexible, so we can get the link with the ID or the link with the slug, or only the slug with the name or only the ID. So we're quite flexible in the format in which you store the associated LinkedIn profile. And then to perform the AI agent, you need to define your agent that it knows how to perform. This means in particular, you can connect your phone number with which number as a sender or caller it should be called to perform the AI call, and then you need to define how the agent should work. So defining the voice and then giving really the model. So the first message and an assistant prompt to define the behavior. So giving the argumentation guidelines, giving the frequently asked questions, etc. so that it knows very well how to perform and be really professional within the calls. You can test always these calls by just entering HubSpot contact ideas, for example, of yourself. You find this ID in the link on top here always, and then with trigger call, you directly call the person, so you can call yourself and test these calls until you're confident to go. And once all this is set up, you can trigger the activities. So these activities to trigger within HubSpot work with the tasks. So you can create tasks within sequences. For example, here in this really successful multi-channel sequence, you can send the normal emails and then create a task to perform a LinkedIn send connection request, or to make an AI call, or to maybe send a message. And then these tasks are recognized by Outreach Master and then performed once they are due. You can do this within a sequence, but you can also, in case you're not using the sequence, just manually create such tasks within HubSpot, and then these tasks are performed once they are due. You have the full overview and transparency over the activities within the dashboard. So you're seeing, for example, here 32 LinkedIn send messages tasks are due, and you see this also here. These are these 32 contacts where they will be sent to. You see all activities also logged here, linked directly to the LinkedIn profile in case of LinkedIn, or to the contact ID. And within an AI call, you can also see the complete results of every call stored within HubSpot. So good luck and good success in performing successful multi-channel campaigns with email, LinkedIn automation, and AI calls. And in case of any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.